right, time now for an NFL-themed night court. Patriots owner Robert Kraft is fighting the release of undercover video, allegedly showing him at a massage parlor in Florida. He's not the only one. A group of 31 other customers who say they did nothing wrong and they've actually been charged with no crimes. Well, they're also suing over the recordings. Let's bring in our legal eagles tonight. Criminal defense attorney Bob Bianchi and constitutional law attorney Jenna Ellis. Kraft, by the way, has pled not guilty to the prostitution charges stemming from his visits to the spa. Welcome to both of you.
Thanks so much for having us, Shannon.
Okay, so Jenna, I want to start with you. In Sports Illustrated, they talk about this case under the headline, Why Robert Kraft's legal team could have trouble preventing the release of day spa videos. This is our Exhibit A. They say the officers who got these warrants, Kraft lawyers maintain, did no undercover work, failed to speak with spa employees or former spa employees to assess their erroneous suspicion of human sex trafficking, and used a fake bomb threat as a ruse to get spa employees to leave the building, thereby allowing them to get in there, the police to install hidden cameras. Jenna, how do you defend that?
Yeah, well, law enforcement has always been able to conduct surveillance that is according with advanced technology. And so under the Fourth Amendment, there's a reasonable expectation of privacy. And that's something that really has kind of gone away with the advanced technology. And so as long as there is a legal basis, and clearly a judge said that there is a legal basis to have these cameras installed, I think that the surveillance, especially of Kraft, because he has been charged, isn't really the issue here so much as with the other 31 people. If there were actual recordings that are kept, that may pose a problem. But the surveillance generally, I think, is fine, because let's think about it, Shannon. I mean, everyone expects now with advanced technology, we all can wear, GoPros, even at TSA at the airport. If you step outside your home, and even in your home with Alexa, even, everyone expects that you might be on camera anywhere. So why should law enforcement not be able to use the same technology?
Maybe not when I'm getting a massage. Going to rethink that. Okay, so Exhibit B, this is also from the same, this is from an AP article talking about these videos. And they talk about the officer and how he went about getting the warrant. He said, I understood this was not just a regular massage parlor, but one that was an illicit massage business. Sharp, the detective here, the officer, said his team began pulling trash from the spa's or outdoor bin that showed evidence of sexual activity. He also sent in a female health inspector who told him she believed women were living in the spa. By January, Sharp received a warrant to install hidden cameras inside. Bob, he convinced a judge, so why is this no good?
Hey, Shannon, I was the person who used to authorize these kind of operations, so it's a little bit disconcerting to me, first off, that these guys can't figure out how to do it the good old-fashioned way without the need for surveillance cameras. That said, when you look at this warrant, they say that they will only go after people they reasonably believe may be involved in prostitution. They actually cite a case inside of the warrant application to the judge through the affidavit that says that they will do everything they can to minimize. That's a fancy law enforcement term to say we're not just going to have a recording going on all the time, capturing all people who nobody knows whether they're involved in criminality or not. We're going to use a very focused monitor. If we see illegal activity, we turn on record. Apparently, by the looks of this lawsuit, that did not happen, and they recorded people who did absolutely nothing wrong. So the idea that we can say that we've gotten to a point in our country where our privacy is no longer existent in a doctor's office, in a bathroom, when you're getting a lawful massage is really disconcerting, because technology does not trump the Constitution of the United States.
Okay, we all agree, though, from here on out, massages with all of our clothes on. I'm keeping the robe on. I'm not changing clothes, because you just never know. All right, Amen. Bob and Jenna, you have made your arguments, so we'll let the folks at home be the jury and tell us what they think on Twitter, at Shannon Bream or at Fox News Night. Vote and let us know. They've made excellent arguments on both sides. Thank you both.
Thank you
both. Shannon.